You scared her? Don't scare her. Go pet her nice.
It's very good that she switches to her name now because then maybe we can walk her without a leash.
Mhm.
They don't live.
Give her pet.
She's scared. Emma's probably scared because of the open mouth. That's how they get pulled off.
No, Em, don't rock it. Mary's under there. Be nice. Soft pet them. Soft pet.
And she's also recovering from a little sick.
Soft pet.
She used to have something called ringworm.
Oh, yeah.
It's away. She only has the little marks on her. See on the legs?
Yeah.
She's not sick anymore.